Thinking about upgrading your floors in 2025? Whether you're remodeling your home or designing from scratch, flooring plays a huge role in setting the tone of your space. So, what's trending this year? Let's dive into the top 20 flooring trends for 2025, from sustainable solutions to bold aesthetics. In 2025, the love for natural wood is making a major comeback, but with a twist. Expect to see lighter finishes like white oak and bleached wood, giving house floor a fresh, airy vibe. Say goodbye to thin strips of wood. Wide flooring planks create a seamless, luxurious look that's perfect for modern and traditional homes alike. With eco-consciousness on the rise, homeowners are choosing sustainable flooring materials like bamboo, cork, and recycled hardwood, which are both stylish and kind to the planet. Speaking of sustainability, reclaimed wood floor is a hot choice for 2025, offering character and a sense of history while reducing waste. Forget smooth and shiny floors. Textured surfaces, like hand-scraped wood and wire-brushed finishes, add depth and uniqueness to any room. Industrial chic is still going strong. Concrete floors offer a minimalist, urban look, and with radiant heating, they're practical too. In 2025, statement-making tiles are stealing the show. Think intricate mosaics, Moroccan patterns, and geometric designs that add personality to kitchens and bathrooms. Terrazzo floors are making a major comeback. This speckled composite of marble, quartz, and glass chips offers a playful, retro touch with a modern twist. Comfort is king. Plush, thick carpeting is trending, especially in cozy spaces like bedrooms and family rooms. Carpet tiles are making waves for their versatility and easy installation. They're perfect for creating custom patterns or quick replacements. If you want to make a bold statement, dark floors are the way to go. Think deep walnut or ebony wood, perfect for adding contrast to bright walls. Shiny, reflective surfaces are back. High-gloss floors, especially in dark colors, create a sleek, luxurious feel. Cool grays are taking a backseat as warm tones like honey, caramel, and burnt sienna become the preferred choice for flooring. For those who want something classic and versatile, neutral beige flooring is the perfect canvas for any decor style. 2025 is all about family-friendly design. Floors that resist scratches, dents, and stains, like luxury vinyl and laminate, are a must for homes with kids and pets. Whether it's spills or splashes, waterproof flooring options like vinyl plank and tile are taking over, especially in kitchens and bathrooms. Why choose one when you can have two? Combining materials like wood and tile creates unique transitions and zones within open-plan spaces. Classic parquet styles like herringbone and chevron are making a comeback, adding a timeless, sophisticated touch to any home. Blur the lines between inside and out with continuous flooring that extends from your living room to your patio. Perfect for creating a flow between spaces.